Hello everyone, welcome back to Simply You Makeup. My name is V. In today's video I am going to finish up on this makeup look. This eye makeup look will be listed somewhere up there because I did this as a 5-minute challenge makeup. So check it out and leave your comments and let me know what you're thinking. Now in today's makeup I'm just going to add on to this and make a look out of it. So I use the FENTY Pro Filter foundation in 420 and I'll be redoing the face, but right now we're gonna work with the eyes. I have no primer on because that 5-minute challenge I have no time to put it, so we're just gonna work with what we have right now and create a look. So we start right now. I'm going to use the Cara Beauty. I'm going to take this color right here and put in the outer corner. The color I'm using, the name is called Transformation. That's that blue. The shimmer is called Fabulous. I can see why it is fabulous. I still have no glitter glue. I don't want to put any glitter glue on. I'm just working with what I already have from the 5-minute makeup challenge. This way so you can see. You can see better that way, yeah. And in the crease I'm going to use this color, which is called Royal. I am back with the complete finished look. The first look you saw me in the video with was a 5-minute makeup challenge that I did. You can go check that out over here or over there, one of those places. But then after the 5-minute challenge, I decide I am just going to continue in another video and complete everything. And this is what it looks like. I continued with the Cara Beauty. I just love this little palette. And I love it extra because this beautiful girl is on the cover. Love it. Love it. This colors are nice. I like them. If I go like this, everything looks even. If I go like this, everything looks like it's missing. Two different size eyes, and I'm just enjoying doing my colorful makeup. But this one is cute. I hope you are enjoying my videos. If you are, please communicate with me in the comments below. Liking and subscribing and sharing and commenting keeps my videos on YouTube visible. It actually helps my channel very much. So I appreciate all those who like, share, subscribe, comment to my videos. I appreciate that very much. And always remember, self is first. Love self plenty. Take care of self. Self is important. And this look is fabulous. And I will see you in another video. I am sweating my butt off because menopause have decided to kick it up a notch today. And that's what's gonna stop me from recording my videos. So you know what? With sweat and heat flash, I am still recording my videos and having fun and sharing joy and love to you. Again, bye. Bye, bye, bye. I love you all. See you in another video soon, 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 soon.